Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a virtual card, a USD virtual card for free. Okay, so without wasting my time, let's get started. But if today is your first time, kindly subscribe, like this video, and leave your thoughts in the comment section. Okay, so what you need to do is to visit our browser, then type in pst.net. So as you can see, it's already here. You tap on it and wait for it to load. Okay, so you see an interface like this. It says either sign in or sign up. The sign in is for someone who already has an account, and the sign up is for someone who is new to everything. So since you are new to it, you just tap on sign up, then you wait for it to load. Okay, so when it comes, you can either sign up using your Apple account. I'm seeing Apple here because I'm using an iPhone to record this particular video, and also your Google account, your Telegram, or your WhatsApp. Okay, or you can just enter email and password. But for the sake of this video, I want it to be very short. You're just going for the Apple. Okay, since I already have my Apple account on this particular video, so I'll just tap on continue to verify my face, and that's all. Okay, so we wait for it to load as well. Okay, so our account is successfully created. So as you can see, we have a notification here. Okay, so it's basically showing us our login details. Okay, so if someone is even trying to log in your account, you receive a notification so that you can just either change your password or log the person out. Okay, so this is how you go about it. If you want to issue a card, just tap on this particular button. If you already have an account and you want to top up, you come in for this particular one. Okay, so since we are fresh to this, you just tap on issue a card. Okay, so it's going to ask you of your citizenship, your first name, your last name, and then your date of birth. Okay, so with the citizenship, since I'm a Ghanaian, I'll just type Ghana over here. My name to Emmanuel, and my surname. With the date of birth, you enter your real date of birth. Okay, and also you tap on continue. So after tapping on continue, you see the card tariffs. Okay, so you have $7 for weekly, $16 for monthly, and then $99 for annually. Okay, so you can choose your payment method of subscribing. Okay, so the minimum amount you can deposit is $50. Okay, $50, and they will just deduct a top-up fee of 8%, which is $16. Okay, as you can see, it's very cheap. So after selecting everything, if you have a promo code, you just enter it here. But if you don't, you just mark this particular button and go to continue. But for the sake of this video, I want it to be very short. Let me take you through the rest. Okay, so in case you want to top up, just tap on this. You have many payment methods over here. You have the USDT, Theta, you have the Bitcoin, any cryptocurrency at all, Ethereum, any cryptocurrency you can think of. And also you have ACH, which are the bank payments. You have the Visa card, the Wise, any payment method at all. Okay, then or you can just use your QR code scanner and scan it. It will direct you to the page where you are going to make the payments. Okay, yeah, so that's it for this particular website. And if in case you don't want the English language, you can just tap on this button over here. You can navigate through a whole lot of languages. Okay, yeah, so that's it for this particular video. And also you have rewards. They have rewards as well. Yeah, you can get a cashback. Okay, you can get a cashback, and also you can refer a friend. Okay, and if you refer a friend, you're going to get 50% discount. Okay, for your friend, 50% discount for your friend. All right, so that's it for this particular video. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe, like, and then leave your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you.